Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something extraordinary for all you woodworking enthusiasts out there. We're about to unveil 12 incredible tools that will take your woodworking game to the next level. Number 1. The MTF Align Guide Rail Support Upgrade Kit revolutionizes Festool MFT3 tables, solving common issues of deflection and misalignment. Replacing plastic with precision-machined 6061T6 aluminum brackets, it ensures stability and uniform fit, reducing the need for constant resquaring. The added comfort grip knob and bevel protrusions enhance support, creating a robust guide rail less prone to misalignment. Its aluminum guide rail insert prevents wear and limits rail movement, ensuring consistent alignment. Crafted in Minnesota, this upgrade promises to fortify your woodworking setup, providing a reliable and precise platform. For woodworking enthusiasts seeking consistent, accurate results without constant adjustments, the MTF Align Kit offers an essential enhancement to the Festool MFT3, fostering a more dependable and precise woodworking environment.
Number 2. The Bora Centipede 6-piece risers set is a game-changer for users of Bora Centipede workstands, offering a convenient solution to elevate your workbench. This accessory provides a significant 6-inch rise, delivering a comfortable 36-inch work height, making it perfect for various applications. One of its standout features is the easy and swift installation process. Within just 5 minutes, users can effortlessly set up these risers, transforming their work area to an ergonomically ideal height. Whether you need to comfortably read plans or desire a portable standing desk, these risers offer the perfect elevation without compromising load capacity. An excellent attribute of the Bora Centipede 6-piece risers set is that the increased height does not diminish its load capacity. This ensures that while you enjoy the elevated workbench, you can still rely on the stand's sturdy and robust performance.
Number 3. The Mini Deluxe panel clamps are a versatile and efficient solution for woodworking enthusiasts engaged in scaled-down projects. These scaled-down versions of larger panel cabinet clamps bring all the benefits of their bigger counterparts in a more compact package. Their ability to force panels flat and ensure flush joints not only saves time, but also eliminates the need for staggering clamps, simplifying the woodworking process. These clamps are designed to join panels ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick and up to 16-inch wide, providing flexibility for a variety of projects. Constructed from thick steel with scissor action couplers and a durable powder coat finish, these clamps offer high-quality performance. Perfect for cutting boards, small panels, and frame and panel doors, the Mini Deluxe panel clamps are a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit for achieving precision and professionalism in smaller scale endeavors.
Number 4. The Kiwi Vision Morgan Square is a game-changing tool that streamlines the measuring and marking process in woodworking, eliminating the hassle of constantly picking up and setting down different tools. This innovative tool's standout feature is its ability to combine measuring and marking into a single step. Compatible with most tape measures, it allows for quick and efficient measurements with both standard imperial and metric systems. The center line mark, conveniently positioned 3/4 inch from the edge, aids in accurate measurement, while the 1.5 inch ruler assists in layout tasks. What sets this tool apart is its laser-etched markings and a bill and pencil holder, ensuring precision and convenience. By enabling users to mark at 1.5 inch from the inside edge of the ruler, it significantly simplifies layout tasks. Number 5. The 3+18 gauge 2-inch brad nailer and a 1/4 inch narrow crown stapler 2-in-1 is a versatile powerhouse, accommodating 18 gauge brad nails from 3/4 inch to 2 inch and a 1/4 inch narrow crown staples from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch. Its no-mar tip ensures a flawless finish by preventing surface marks, while the 360 degrees rotating exhaust cover directs air away from the user, enhancing comfort. The tool's thumb wheel depth control adjustment enables seamless transitions between different materials, ensuring consistent and precise results. Additionally, its quick clear jam release simplifies maintenance, facilitating efficient jam removal. Perfect for various woodworking tasks, this dual-purpose tool offers adaptability, user-friendly features, and professional-grade results. Whether for professionals or DIY enthusiasts, the 3+18 gauge nailer and stapler combination stands as a versatile, reliable, and indispensable addition to any workshop. Number 6. The Tracer Prescribed Tool with Deep Hole Pencil is a comprehensive marking kit designed to streamline precision in woodworking. Its package, including a durable case, tracer deep hole construction pencil, replacement leads, alternative lead dispenser, and tracer sight holsters, caters to diverse marking needs. Crafted from solid aluminum, it balances durability and lightweight precision, ensuring a sturdy yet user-friendly tool. Laser-etched markings, such as column and jack scale and hip and valley scale, ensure long-lasting visibility without fading. The tool's adjustable locking arm and versatile settings, offering up to 16 fixed positions, allow seamless adjustments to fit diverse workspaces and requirements. With a smooth motion lockable arm, users can set desired angles or utilize it as a conventional quick square, enabling convenient marking for different measurements and angles. In summary, the Tracer Proscribed tool stands as an essential, versatile, and reliable marking kit for woodworking, ensuring accuracy, endurance, and adaptability in layout and marking tasks. Number 7. The Going Make Bench Dog Clamp is a testament to simplicity and efficacy in woodworking and DIY endeavors. Its swift action in clamping workpieces expedites tasks, amplifying overall productivity. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this 3/4-inch bench dog hole clamp boasts durability and precision, ensuring an ideal fit for 3/4-inch dog hole workbenches due to its CNC-engineered design. Operating as an all-metal MFT clamp, it delivers substantial and stable clamping force, safeguarding against workpiece movement, while the incorporation of soft pad shields wood from harm. With a generous clamping range of up to 1 3/4 inch, it accommodates varied woodboard thicknesses, further enhanced by adjustable clamping height for different woodworking needs. Its versatility shines through in drilling, cutting, sanding, and wood jointing, supported by the protective soft pads, preserving wood integrity throughout tasks. The Going Make Bench Dog Clamp emerges as a user-friendly, durable, and multifunctional tool for woodworking applications. Number 8. The 35-pack Woodworking Chamfer Drilling Tools by Marsbase delivers a comprehensive selection of high-speed steel tools adept at efficient drilling across diverse materials. The 3-pieces step drill bits, composed of high-speed steel, exhibit remarkable resistance to corrosion and rust, facilitating swift penetration into wood, plastic, aluminum, and copper. Featuring 3 pieces a 1/4-inch hexagonal shank HSS step drill bits with metric scales, this set accommodates various materials, including wood, PVC, plastic boards up to 0.15 inch, and metal boards, aluminum, copper, iron, up to 0.1 inch. However, caution is advised against using them on harder materials like high-carbon steel, hard metals, glass, or tile. Additionally, the set integrates 7 pieces 82-degree screw countersinks designed for precise depth adjustment with a hex wrench, ensuring smooth hole finishes. The individual slot design within the case safeguards the bits from damage and blunting during transportation, prolonging the durability and sharpness of the drill bits. Overall, the Marsbase Chamfer Drilling Tools set offers a versatile and reliable solution for varied woodworking needs, combining precision, adaptability, and durability. Number 9. The Tracer Deep Pencil Marker is an all-purpose construction tool, offering precise markings up to 5.7 inch. Ideal for general construction marking across various materials, it features a 2B lead for deep hole marking in confined spaces and drill holes. Crafted with a sturdy metal design and accompanied by the tracer sight holder, it endures the rigors of construction sites. Versatile for ceramics, plastic, wood, and metal surfaces, it ensures accuracy. Complete with a tracer sight holster and an inbuilt sharpener, this pencil guarantees accessibility and precision. Additionally, the replacement lead set with an anti-snap lead dispenser ensures uninterrupted marking, making it an enduring and essential tool for construction professionals. Number 10. The Extendable Measuring Stick Tool is a transformative asset for woodworking, carpentry, and remodeling projects, ensuring precise measurements without relying on numerical values. Its innovative design fosters accuracy in a variety of tasks, eliminating the risk of errors. With 2 extendable rods, it facilitates measurements up to 47 inch and 94 inch, allowing precise cuts for molding, windows, floors, and walls. Additionally, the inclusion of the mini measure stick serves in confined spaces, providing accurate measurements ranging from 3 inch to 8 inch. A notable addition is the Easy Pinch Stick, enhancing its versatility by facilitating the squaring of large cabinets. This tool revolutionizes measurement practices, offering unmatched precision, adaptability, and efficiency, becoming an indispensable companion for professionals and enthusiasts engaged in carpentry and remodeling tasks. Number 11. The Beavercraft Forge adds woodworking bowl adds is an exceptional tool crafted for intricate woodworking tasks like bowls, spoons, and ladles. Its distinct curved blade design grants exceptional control and precision, ideal for detailed carving projects. Made from sturdy 1066 high-carbon steel, this durable adze maintains sharpness through extended use, ensuring effortless carving strokes. The securely fixed head guarantees stability, offering precise control and confidence for various woodworking tasks. From curved bowl adze projects to fine carving, the AX2 seamlessly adapts, catering to professionals and hobbyists alike. The ashwood handle, treated for durability, provides ergonomic excellence, offering a secure grip during demanding tasks. Additionally, the included genuine leather sheath ensures safe storage and blade protection, making it a convenient tool for woodworking on the go, enhancing safety and longevity. Number 12. The Rewitool 4-piece wood chisel set epitomizes craftsmanship and reliability in woodworking. Constructed from CRV steel, these chisels offer immediate sharpness and precise cuts, benefiting from the ideal balance of hardness and toughness that prevents curling or chipping. The set's ergonomic handles feature an anti-slip texture, spray-coated steel caps, and well-sized designs, catering to diverse chiseling and hammering needs while ensuring both endurance and flexibility during use. An array of protective measures fortifies the set. Rust-resistant paint ensures longevity, protective caps safeguard the tools from damage, and an Oxford bag allows secure storage and transport. This chisel set comprises various sizes, a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, each forged as a single piece, promising enduring performance. Renowned for precision, durability, and meticulous design, this set stands as an invaluable asset for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike.